Long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains and rivers, there lived a young man named Aaron. Though strong and full of dreams, he often felt defeated. He tried many things: farming, trading in the market, even learning a craft. But nothing seemed to succeed. Each time he failed, his spirit grew heavier. One evening, after another day of disappointment, Aaron walked to the edge of the village. He sat alone beneath a great oak tree, staring at the fading sun. His hands were calloused, his clothes worn, and his heart was full of doubt. An old man, bent with age but steady in his steps, came walking down the path. He noticed the troubled young man and slowly sat beside him. His eyes, though wrinkled with time, shone with quiet wisdom. "Why do you look so burdened, my son?" the old man asked. Aaron sighed deeply. "Because no matter how much I try, I always fail. Nothing I do ever bears fruit." The old man gave a gentle smile. "Failure is not your enemy," he said softly. "It is your teacher." Aaron looked up, confused. The old man continued. "When a farmer plants a seed, does he expect to harvest the next day? No. He waters it, tends the soil, and waits with patience. In time, the seed grows roots unseen beneath the earth. Only later do the leaves rise. Life is the same. Success is like a seed. It takes patience and care, but most people abandon it before the roots even grow." Aaron whispered, "Then what should I do?" The old man's voice grew firm. "3 things. First, never stop trying. Second, learn from every mistake. Third, be patient. Your season will come. Remember this: persistence breaks even the hardest stone." Those words sank deep into Aaron's heart. From that night forward, he resolved not to give up. He rose each morning before dawn and worked in the fields. His first crops withered. He tried again. Storms destroyed his second harvest. Villagers shook their heads and said he was foolish. Some laughed behind his back, saying he would never succeed. But Aaron remembered the old man's words. Persistence breaks even the hardest stone. He tried again, changing his methods, learning from each failure. The years passed slowly. His hands grew rough, his back ached, and still success did not come quickly. Yet inside, Aaron was changing. He grew wiser, stronger, and more patient with every season. One year, after countless trials, his crops finally flourished. The fields that once stood barren now shone with golden grain. The villagers who once mocked him came to admire his perseverance. They asked, "How did you endure when others would have given up?" Aaron simply smiled and said, "Because long ago, an old man told me, persistence breaks even the hardest stone." As time went on, Aaron's small fields became plentiful. He was no longer the hopeless youth under the oak tree, but a man of respect, admired not for luck nor talent, but for his steadfast heart. Years later, when his hair had begun to turn gray, Aaron returned to the great oak tree. The old man was no longer there, but Aaron sat quietly, remembering his words. He finally understood the truth. Success is not given by fortune. It is not a gift from the heavens. Success is built by patience, by persistence, and by the courage to rise after every fall. So, if you ever feel like quitting, if you ever feel like the world has turned its back on you, remember Aaron, the young man who refused to stop trying. Remember the words that changed his life. Failure is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Keep going, and one day, your stone will break too. Never quit. Your time will come.